So my name is Kasia Kraszewska, and I'm an Associate Director of Marketing Communications at RepRisk. So we're an ESG data provider. So that's environmental, social, and governance data. And I wanted to have a better foundation for communicating about these topics. So I started looking for possible master's degrees. The Leeds program, I really liked that it was the School of the Environment, the School of Business, courses across both. So it would give me both an understanding of the sustainability space, but then also the business side of it. When reading about the program, the fact that, there are live webinars that were early in the morning for me, but if I missed it because of school drops or anything like that, I was able to catch up with the recording. So that was actually a very important consideration. It was nice to have that flexibility. The application process was very smooth. And then the academic advisor, that was a great kind of check-in also to keep you on track. One of the nice things about it is that we are working with academics that are sharing their research. It reignited that kind of energy for research, for finding out information. The first course that I took was a governance course, and that was a really good foundation to understanding the space that I'm working in. For some of the business related content, that was very much directly related to my professional world in terms of like the decision making and the change management courses. The cohort was very global, which is to be expected because of the nature of the online learning and the accessibility that gives. And so it was really interesting to have that global perspective in the class. We did have a WhatsApp group, and that was a good way to know that, other people were going through the same thing as you. It was very manageable and very, very fulfilling. And so I would do it again in a heartbeat.